at the mechanic.
My car is making a strange noise today.
What kind of noise do you hear?
It sounds like a loud knock from the engine.
That does not sound good.
Yes, I feel worried about this problem.
When did the noise start?
It started this morning when I was driving.
Does the car still run well?
It runs, but it feels slow and weak.
Maybe the engine has a problem.
Yes, I think we should check it.
You did the right thing by coming here.
The sound gets louder when I drive faster.
That is helpful to know.
I feel something is not right.
I will check the engine now.
Can you check it today?
Yes, I can check it today.
I need the car for my daily work.
I understand. It is important.
How long will it take?
It may take some time.
Please tell me the problem clearly.
Yes, I will explain everything.
Please also tell me the cost.
Of course, I will tell you.
I hope it is not a big problem.
Do not worry. We will try our best.
Thank you for helping me.
You are welcome.
Car accident.
That was a loud sound just now.
Yes, I heard it too.
Are you okay?
Yes, I am okay. Are you okay?
I am fine, but I feel a little scared.
Me too. That was sudden.
I think our cars hit each other.
Yes, it looks like a small accident.
I'm sorry about that.
It is okay. Accidents can happen.
I did not see your car coming.
I was turning and I did not see you.
The road is very busy today.
Yes, there are many cars here.
Is your car okay?
It has a small damage in the front.
My car also has some damage.
At least no one is hurt.
Yes, that is the most important thing.
What should we do now?
I think we should call the police.
Yes, that is a good idea.
Do you have your phone?
Yes, I will call them now.
Please stay calm.
Yes, I am okay now.
Help will come soon.
Everything will be okay.
We can fix the cars later.
Yes, safety is more important.
Thank you for staying calm.
Thank you too for understanding.
Ordering pizza.
Hello, I want to order a pizza.
Sure. How can I help you today?
I feel very hungry and want something tasty.
We have many delicious pizzas.
That sounds great.
What kind of pizza do you like?
I really like simple cheese pizza.
That is a good choice.
Do you also have chicken pizza?
Yes, we have chicken pizza with toppings.
That sounds very good.
Would you like to order both?
Yes, I want 1 cheese and 1 chicken pizza.
What size do you want?
Medium size is fine for me.
Okay, 2 medium pizzas.
Do you have cold drinks?
Yes, we have different drinks.
I would like 2 drinks as well.
Sure, I will add 2 drinks.
How long will it take?
It will take about 30 minutes.
That is okay. I can wait.
Please give me your address.
I will tell you my address now.
Thank you. Your order is confirmed.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome.
I'm excited for the pizza.
It will be fresh and tasty.
Opening a bank account.
I want to open a bank account today.
That is a very good idea.
I need a safe place for my money.
Yes, the bank is safe and useful.
I want to open a new account here.
Sure, I can help you with that.
Thank you. I need some information.
Of course. What do you want to know?
What documents do I need to bring?
You need your ID card and some basic details.
I have my ID card with me.
That is great.
Do I need to fill any form?
Yes, you need to fill a simple form.
Okay, I can do that now.
I will give you the form.
What type of account is better?
A savings account is a good choice.
Yes, I want to save money regularly.
That is a smart plan.
How much money do I need to start?
You can start with a small amount.
I can deposit some cash today.
That is fine.
Are there any service fees?
There are small fees, but not high.
That sounds okay.
It will take a short time to open.
Can I get a bank card today?
Yes, you can get it soon.
That will be very helpful for me.
You can use it for daily payments.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome.
I feel happy to start this today.
Yes, this is a good step.
Applying for a visa.
Excuse me, I want to apply for a visa.
Sure, I can guide you step by step.
Thank you. I am not sure where to start.
No problem, I will explain everything simply.
What documents are required for this process?
You need a valid passport, photos, and supporting documents.
Do I need any application form as well?
Yes, you must fill out an application form.
How long does the process usually take?
It depends, but it may take some days or weeks.
Is there an interview for the visa?
Yes, sometimes there is a short interview.
I feel a little nervous about that.
That is normal, but you will be fine.
Yes, I will try my best.
Good, confidence is very important.
Do we need to book an appointment?
Yes, you can book it online easily.
That makes the process simple.
When should we submit the documents?
We should prepare and submit everything as soon as possible.
Make sure all your information is correct.
Yes, I will double-check everything.
That is very important for approval.
Thank you for your kind support.
You are welcome. I am happy to help.
Now I feel more confident.
Yes, let's complete the application carefully.